What's the deal? What's the deal? How's everyone doing? We back? Like we never left. Echo? No way. I don't believe you. Impossible. So how's it going, everyone? Mic is low. Yo, mic is a bit low. How about now? Green, what's the deal? Spectral, appreciate you. Jay Good in the house. What's going on, Dan? Gold's in the caps in 1973 by the looks of it. We'll see right now. Are you going to trade GJ tonight?
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
I mean, what I will do is light these fucking candles. I got 12 of them, but waiting to light them bitches. Give me a sec, chat. Alright, yeah, 200 in here. Let's do a breakdown. And if you're trying to get into the Zoom, just wait. I'll let you in. Don't panic. Daily close bear. Respecting resistance, so we're going to look to come down for the rest of the day. 4 hours broke the previous 4-hour low. The 1 hour closed bearish, and now making a top wick on the current 1 hour. Let's see where we can take advantage of this. So same thing with the 30. Grab some liquidity here. If we flip, could drive. Could. Will it? I don't know. But let's see. Goes right below here. It should fill the range down here. Not much. 8 pips. Alright, I think we can have some cells below this area right here. Oh, let's see. Alright, yeah, if we get some closures, I like this better. Yeah. If we can get some closures below here, we're gonna look for cells. Where's the price right now? Let's see if we can get some closures below here. I want to see what's over here. About 8 pips to this area. No, we're gonna look for 1967.55. Until then, I'm not gonna touch it unless it drives down through here, taps 1967.55 and comes back up to around 1969 areas. If it does that, then we might have some positions to fill the drive down here. So what we will look for here. We can look for sells here, but only on a fake out. So once this comes down, comes back up, close above here, back down, then we can look below 1967.55. We can be off the rip as of this moment if we just drive all the way down there and not trickle down. And for buys, let's see where we can take advantage of some buys. So for buys, we need to break this area in the previous candle high. So yeah, our buys at this moment will be above here. But we would have to create a range 2 above there. So we'd have to close above there and come back down in range. We'd have to create, if we do end up driving up here, right? If we do end up driving up here, I'm going to look for us to create a resistance. Right. And then I'm going to look for us to drive off a support wherever it does establish a support. And anything above this area would be a range 2 breakout, your range 1, your range 2. Right? So once this forms, anything that closes above here, we're good to go. Until then, we will sit on our hands and wait for these closures below 1967.55 or drive down here and then see how we can take advantage of it. All right. Hoyo! Do you think the left side is not clean enough for buys? No, it's clean enough for buys. We will have to just let the higher time frames first break the previous candle highs or close bullish, whatever it has to do. The higher time frames have to speak to us, speak in our direction, right? How do you identify range 1, range 2? Just showed you. So on the smaller time frame, you have a support. What's a range, right? A range is a support, right? And a resistance. So you found support. This is ugly. Wait. Right, you found a support right here. You got a resistance. It's a range. Got a resistance at this area. That's a range. This is range 2. Right. One. Range 2. Some weird Roman numerals for you right there. Anyway, so anything above here would be a buy. But don't forget, this is the 5-minute. So that's why I just drew out what I needed before, because on the higher time frame, if we go to the 1 here, there is no range 2 here. You can see clearly that we only have support. We don't even have that yet. Only once it closes bullish here, we have where it will establish a support. And supposedly so far, this is the resistance, right? Now, if we close bullish here and then we close bearish coming down, right? Then this becomes range 1 and then this becomes range 2. Until that happens on the higher time frame, this is still a range 1. That's why I would need a closure above this area, right? And then I would need us to form a resistance and a support, identifying that as range 2. And then anything above here will be a range 2 breakout to drive up. So we have not formed a range 2 on the higher time frame. And until that happens, I will not be okay with these range 2 buys on the 5-minute. Give me an opinion about GJ.
How about no?
How can I move the chart on MT5 like in TradingView? You can't. Why do you need a fake out closure? So I would need, if we look left here, in this area, in this whole area, if we look to the left, further to the left, wow, that's too green, never mind. And if we look to the left in this entire area, there's a lot of play here. There's a resistance here, resistance here. We just scrolled back. So I would like for this candle, first, if we do close below here, right? If we do close below here, I would like this candle first to drive through, clear out this entire range, whatever's happened here to the left, clear it all out, right? Whatever orders are in here. And then if we come back up, I'll have more confidence that we're going to drive through this range, right? Irrelevant of what happened here before, because now we just cleared all these orders out on the drive here. Now if we come back up and fake out, that's going to be our indication that we're coming back down to retest the lows. So if we see this, going to be enough the rip to retest these lows as a fake out closure back below this area. And liquidity, it'll look like a liquidity grab on the higher time frame. It's just going to be a higher time frame top wick, right? It's just going to be a top wick here and a drive down on the higher time frame. And because otherwise, if we just trade right here at this area, once we close here initially, we have no idea if we're going to reject there or continue driving down, because there's a lot of play in this whole area. Fuel cruise. So first, once we clear these orders out, then I'll be willing to retest the lows once we fake out. If not, and we just drive straight through, right, to these areas, then over here we can be on off the rip to continue down. But as of right now, you see what's happening. We're driving up. Is this the top wick for the daily being made? We already had one. Let's see. It's a nice top wick here. The hourly, oh, the hourly broke the previous hourly high. Alright, gang. Man, let some people in. What's up, Bowser? What's the deal? Quick, stay the hell out of Dodge. What's that mean? Why no buys now? Well, why buys now? I don't have to prove to you why no buys. You have to prove to me why buys. Fume. Uh-oh, bottom wick to continue driving up. Marking up 1973. Smart. Tuesday will be the same as Monday if we don't break Monday's lows after tapping 1973. I was really looking for the weekly flip here and a continuation, right? It's already happened. I was thinking it's going to happen maybe today, but it happened yesterday. And today. I was looking for the wick fill on the weekly, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, filling the rest of this week. We discussed it on Sunday in the private, in the Sunday Unfiltered private session. I'm seriously asking to learn, why not? But never mind, I'll just blindly follow. Well, what do you mean? Like, you have to have a reason for a trade, right? I don't have any reason to take a trade. Right? You're seriously asking me to why I wouldn't take a trade right now? There's nothing for me to take a trade. Why are you so bundled up? Is it cold in Miami? No, but it's cold in my crib. It's like 65 in my crib. Freezing. Do you want to build a snowman? This is a nice top wick. Yeah, let's see where this closes. Well, this is just because we close like this on this 30 right now. The next 30 might come down, break it, get the bottom wick for the hourly, but instead of driving, because we closed at a support here, it might just reflip bullish and start driving up. I gotta be ready for that. Alright, do you guys recommend me getting into trading? Bruh, there's so many people trying to get into trading. We need electricians. We need plumbers. We need dancers, bro. if that didn't change your mind into being a dancer, I don't know what will. Do you change your mind? Do you still want to trade? It's good, Army E. We need roofers. 20 plus. We do a good Asian session. We do any kind of session, right? We do some volume. Let's go. Give me some volume for Asian. Oh. Smoked ribs with a whiskey. I just want a nice, cool pillow. And a semi-horizontal position. You guys aren't going to be excited about this. I'm going to be excited about this. You know what it is? I'll be honest with you. It's because we haven't hit 420 viewers. Oh shit, we hit 420 viewers.
Just give me the light.
Oh yeah. What's a 5-minute closure on his Amazon wish list? Only right you light one up. I know. Yeah, done. No. That's it.
Outside med det! Nå får du inside! Outside med det!
Oh yeah. This is that shit right here. It's that cryptochronic kind of like. Chat, you ever smoke and you want to sing? I would do Michael right now. Chat. What? Yo, you give me a car radio right now and a highway? What? Hee. Hold on, I'm gonna moonwalk my ass back to the chair right now. We ready. We ready. No, I'm just kidding. We ready for y'all. We ready. What? Yeah, damn. That joint was so good, the neighbors got the munchies right now. Wix, as a smoker, how do you keep your teeth so white? Genuine question. It's a filter. It's a filter, my man. Yo, what the fuck? Where my shit at? Where'd you go? Oh, you right there. Igor closed the position. Why, Igor? What position did you have that you closed it? J Hood. Yo, is this hourly gonna flip? This flipping hourly, man. The 30 closed bull. The hourly might flip, but if the hourly flips, I'm not too convinced that it's gonna drive. So we're gonna wait for the 4-hour closure below here. Let's hit 250 likes today for lots of on. Wow, you really do not give me enough credit. This fucking stream should be minimum 400 likes and 800 viewers. Okay, she's chopsticks and egg rolls right now. She lurks for sure. K's definitely creeping in the background. Shout out to K. Chat salty because of that New York session. Sorry, by this time next week, you guys will all be fine. I mean, if you guys are consistent with what you're doing, you'll be right back to wherever you were. advice, things you tell yourself to overcome that one day, which takes away the days of hard work. I mean, do you expect not to lose? I know, you know, I come in here knowing that and accounting for the fact that we're gonna lose maybe 20% of the time. That's your only reason not to bet the house on any trade. But you know, there's something to be said for seeing all blues in a terminal for long periods of time, that you just have confidence. And I say that with comfort, you know what I mean? I'm pretty confident in the fact that next trade's coming, and more wins are coming, and they're gonna by far outdo the losses, as you know, as we've done for the last 3 years. So I just, you know, I'm not doing anything different than you guys. If you guys are following us and doing what we're doing, it's just the only difference is I have the confidence in knowing that this works out long term if you're taking the same position over and over and over and over. Like I've said it in the last reel, it's a game of numbers, game of thousands. It's a game of large numbers. You have to take many positions. You have to manage them in many different ways to kind of find your sweet spot of how you trade. You know, back testing or forward testing or sample sizing is not just taking a position. It's also just how you're going to manage risk during the position. So you take the same position over and over, then you manage risk the same way over and over, or you switch it up differently, see what works for you. But then eventually you'll come to your style of trading, right? You're going to use price action as the base for trading, and you're going to build upon that base with your style of price action and what you're used to and what you see in the markets based on the candles printing. And it's going to be your own thing, and you're going to be confident in it, because over a long period of time you're not going to care about a single trade. You're going to look at your monthly, quarterly, yearly record, and you're going to see that same position over and over works, and once in a while you take that loss, but you know you never bet the house. That's why you know, one trade's not going to make you wealthy, but it can fuck up an account. So don't ever, you know, try to make that Lambo on one trade. You know, it's a slow and steady, and eventually over time you'll get there, because just as quick as you can make it, you can lose it just as quickly. And you really won't have, right? You really won't value anything that you've made that quickly, because it'll be gone just like that in the next trade. There's got to be some value to what you earn here. It took you guys 3-4 trades to earn what you lost, right? But it also took me like 300-400 trades to way outdo my losses, right? So you can't judge trading by one position, right? You're not a trader. If you come in here on the charts, right, and you take one trade and you win, and I've been here through thousands of trades, and I take a trade and I lose, it doesn't make you a better trader. You've taken one trade, I've taken thousands. You know what I mean? The longevity here is gonna make you as a trader. So I never have that thought of like, shit, what am I gonna do here after a loss? For me, it's literally more on to the next one, right? Same thing over and over. It's the only reason we discuss it is because chat asks it. But outside of that, like, on to the next one. Don't think we could have done anything better today. Maybe close at the 1 hour closing bullish, but then if you look, the very next 1 hour closed back below range, right? So, and the 4 hour already had a tower. So honestly, I don't think I would have managed it differently. It was just surprising it didn't go. I spoke to Don. He was like, yeah, I'm very surprised that didn't go for like very high probability setup this morning. Just Pentagon's on fire. or whatever it was. I don't know. Didn't go. All right. But like I had a short memory. I forgot about it until you guys asked me. And you're really not gonna worry or care about any specific trade or ever point it out if you're not over risking. Like no one trade is better or more important than another trade. Just completely separate instance. What's weird is not that we take losses. What's weird is that people are surprised that we take losses as well. Like it happens, right? So I get it. You guys are so surprised because it's so rare for us to take losses. It does happen. You shouldn't be surprised. It's the market. I don't care what it was. I don't care what the reasoning was. Like, I looked in the charts, see if there was an indication that I missed something. Probably not. That's it. On to the next one. Would you come to the current perspective about the market when I pick my ranges and never pay attention to some such moves that should be made first so that I can take it here sells? Oh, like below 1969.67. Yeah, because I'm paying attention to all the play that's in this range. Like there's a level right off the rip here. So I don't want to be stuck in all of this. I'd want clean drive through here. And we might get that clean drive because we already... See, we drove through here since. Once, twice, now we're coming back in there. In that range, so we might drive through again, but I just don't want to be stuck in there if there's all that play in there on the 5, so I'd rather drive through and then come back, retest. I'm okay with avoiding this whole range. People are always over leveraging on any trades. That's why they get so excited during our wins. There's people that joined us in the last month that haven't seen a loss, right? So it's strange, yeah. Losses, they do happen. Maybe we'll always be so lucky, right? Ten minutes here for the 4-hour close chat. Let's see where's it doing. Oh, this is clean. The hourly flipped in the last 10 minutes of the 4, huh? That's so funny. Yeah, so what most likely will happen here, if this hourly is to close below, it'll probably fill this range in the next 10 minutes. If it's not to close below, we might close bullish on this hourly, and this is just the bottom wick. The 30 didn't have a bottom wick, you see. So, let's see. No, wrong screen. Sorry. Spectra, are they up yet? Sorry, I was trying to see if we have if we have our emojis up. Yeah, are the emojis up? Damn, I missed Damon's question again. Oh, not yet. Alright, never mind then. I've been trading that long. I have a legacy account trading me, all the perks, time frame, pro, none of the monthly costs. OG. With the sells below closure, fake out, does that mean close below, then close above, and fake out again? Yes. We would have to fill this range right now on the hourly. What's up? No, upload them. We'll upload them whenever you want. Overnight, tomorrow. Yeah, I'll add them for tomorrow's stream. How long did it take you to come to this perspective about the market? My whole life. I don't know. Just up to this point. This is my perspective at the moment. I've believed what I believe, or I've known what I've known. You know, I don't know. Maybe over the last couple of years. Trading for about 4.5 years, maybe after like 3 years into it. Could you accept me on Zoom? I can let you in. Unacceptable. You're late. Go. In your opinion, what's the advantage on focusing on a higher win rate and consistent pips compared to a lower win rate with higher RR? The advantage is confidence. When you're winning more than you're losing, you're building an insane amount of confidence. And like I said 10 minutes ago, there's something to be said for seeing blue after blue after blue in your terminal, right? Instead of doubting your positions, you know you win most of the time. How does a streamer have 500 viewers but 10k subs? Well, typically... Well, no, first of all, I have almost 12k, all right? Let's not insult the streamer. Second of all, this 584 right now, and it's going to get to maybe 800. No, we're on our way. ASAP Rush, we're on our way to 100k. Almost there. Just a few more. You know, maybe she gets 800. Typically we have around 800. Appreciate you, Asa. Hold on. Yo, chat. If you like having your doors locked in the house or closed, don't have kids. Because they walk up everywhere. Like every door is open. The windows are open. So what are we? An aquarium? That stream record for the year or quarter. It's for this year. It's for starting January 9th. This is just Asian session, January 9th. Why aren't we in a position now? We never had a closure. You want to be in a position before the 4-hour close. Woo! Okay, well, we closed nowhere, right? This is ideally the 4-hour needs to pull back, right, and leave a bottom wick so we can take sells in the next 4-hour. We knew we would see this just to clear the range. This is good though. Now if we close like this, top wick on the next 4-hour, and we in there like swimwear. Let's move down on it. Jump the level. This is good. What up, John S? No, we might be in. Remember I said we might be in off the rip here if we close below. This is a 4-hour closure. This is we're closing where we need to close. Let's see. I'd want a top wick on the next candle. Let's see. We're lock it in for now, chat. We're getting really close here. Don't have positions yet. I'm looking for a top wick here. Whoa, 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 yay, top wick. I'd have sell stops here real soon, chat. Come up to around 69 areas. Oh, 68, 69. It's looking good here. Is this the top wick for the hourly? Let's see. is where the last, so see where we closed here last time? On the hourly, this is where it came up for the top wick chat. I think I'm gonna have a sell on the flip here. Not on the break of the lows, on the flip here is gonna be my sell. Yeah, on the flip here, chat. I got a sell stop on the flip of the candle. Chat, I'm in a position, I'm activated. Right. Our stops are gonna be somewhere around here. And we're gonna look to tap around these areas, 1957 areas. It'll give us roughly, oh, it's 100 pips even. Yeah, feels weird. It's been a little while for position, huh? For Asian session. Got about 10 here. I'm gonna wait till about 15. All right, chat. I'm going break even. And at 15, I didn't close a position yet. I didn't close the position yet, but if we re-break the lows here, it went about 12. If we re-break the lows, I'm gonna go 10. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna go move 10 pips in profit here for stops. Okay. Oh, wait, how does this work? Okay, my stops are at 1966.24, and that's 10 pips in profit. And if we hit stops, that's our position. There we go. Right here. All right. We tap. Yeah, gang, I just hit, my stops just hit, so 10 pips, 10.2. W. It might run, might fill the range down here, right? But I went 10 pips in profit. I mean, if you had a earlier entry, or if you don't want to go 10 pips in profit and you're break even, it should run here. But I want to get a W for Asian session. You know, this might come back to break even. I'd rather secure something, get us a W. It's been a little while. It's been over a week, right, since we got a nice position in Asian. So let's get this W, and then we got another hour in this session. Let's see what happens. Let's see how we form here. But you secured the bacon. And there you go. Drop a like, sub to the channel if you're new here. Call it. Just a quick one. An hour stream. Oh yeah, update the record. 27. Let me do that. $27. Oh, look at that. Good management. Came back to break even, huh? Well, we secured the bacon. Now let's just wait for more closures. Spark it. It's been sparked. Don said to close. Don was in a position here too. Let's look at this. Oh, the fucker got 25 pips. Where did he enter? Where did he enter? Oh, I love it. Yo. God damn it, he got me again. Yo, how did he get 25 pips? What was his entry? Dog. What the fuck? This never went 25 pips. What did he do? I don't know. Maybe the price on Blueberry? I don't know. You still in the trade? No, we closed. It was 10 pips and then it hit our. We went 10 pips in profit and then it hit. He sold the top. He sold in the middle of the top. I mean, yeah, I guess you could say, like, if you know it's gonna flip here, it's hard to say you know, right, on stream here, but if you're like, it's pretty certain, right? It's high degree of probability that it's gonna flip here. Maybe you can. I don't know. That's not me. I can't do that. Fucker got 25 pips. Yo, Don, if you're here, shout out to you. I love you, bro. Is 25 pips really impressive with gold? No, it's just it's not that I'm impressed, it's the fact that we took the same trade here, which is kind of funny. But in this same trade, I don't see where he would have had 25 pips. I only had like 16, 17. But knowing Don, like, you know, like that's the homie. He's just that good. Bowser, who's your broker? Trade assumes with their experience the candle will flip. Where should we manage a trade like so again against this? Where would I mean, managing risk would be the same. It's just, all right, hold on. Lock in. We might get more positions here. What up, new here? We trade New York session as well. And Bowser, I don't even know what that is. What do I need to see here? Right there. You see a fake out or an onion on this at this level. Right? So if we come up here, we close bullish. I'm gonna look for a bearish candle back in the range. Okay. And the same thing that you see over here. I'm gonna expect to happen right here as we close back in range. Steep top wick. And a retest of the lows. Or we get more closures below 1965 here. And we could have more positions then. Let's see. Oh, do you know if you've been following him for a minute, he would have never took position on stream? I think Don would have taken that position, probably just on the flip or to break at a low. I mean, honestly, it's normal for him. I think he's just sample sizing for you guys. Yeah, managing risk would be the same. Oh, yeah. Hold on. I know this one. I know this one. Fuck. Yeehaw. Maybe we'll get these closures above and come back down, retest the lows that we just made. What is your 1967.55 line based on? The previous resistance, 67.55. That was the reason we took the entire trade. That whole trade was based on that level that we just took. This isn't the support, right? In any, I guess, sense of the word, by any definition. This is just a level over here at 67.55 that we tend to drive from. So we close below it, we drive, we respect it, right? Close below. Actually, we just drove through here, but over here we respect it and drove through. Close below, respect it, drove through. Close below, respect, just filled the range. Came up above, closed back below, just drove through. So this is just a level that we tend to close below and drive down from. It's not really a support that you bounce off of or a resistance that you bounce off of, just a level you drive from. Probably you gotta be here through multiple entries, and then you realize what the difference is in the breakdown. Because there could be small nuances that would completely, change analysis or basis for the trade. Full-time job? God forbid. I'm a full-time dad. This is only a few hours a day. The reason I can be a full-time dad is because of this. Thank you, Envision. What scenarios will this kind of wick entries be valid? Just maybe something we'll incorporate later on in our trading. Damn, what I miss? Positions. Gonna drop more, quite possibly. If we break below 6.5 here, yeah, I might consider it. I'm gonna consider. Might look for this off the rip, depending on how it closes here. Yeah, I mean, we eventually should come down here, fill the range. The key will be enclosures. Do we fill the range close below? Do we fill the range come back up? Rip, handy day for you, Wix. We're overall for the day. So I traded London last night, right? That was 26 pips. London. Then I took a 70 pip loss this morning, my first loss in a little while. And then we just closed 10 here. So technically down 34 for the day, but it's all right. I'm up massively for quarter two. I'm up massively for the year. Our year, we had an incredible year. Besides the Asian session having a great year, overall, Devious Gang is having an amazing year. But yeah, for the session, absolutely.
Feel good. Break out the red panties. We're rich, baby.
You know what I'm saying? I feel good. Wix bro, stupid question. The other guy says in his videos, good traders should only trade one session, max 2 trades. Talk about it, bro. What do you think? Like, you have traded all 3 sessions. It's not about a good trader. It's just a lot of yous are not good traders or fairly new traders, right? So it's a great rule of thumb because new traders have a tendency to over risk, over leverage. So the more you're, the more you're on the charts, in a trade, in a position, the more risk you're exposed to. So, good rule of thumb is to not expose yourself to more risk. So less risk, the better. So less trades, less positions, the better. So I guess it's a great rule of thumb for beginners, but really irrelevant to people that are seasoned traders because I'm sure they can control their emotions and they have a winning strategy. Okay, so nothing to do with psychology, like his psychologist. What? No, just to do, to do with his mindset, but he's a seasoned trader. He doesn't need to pay attention to that. It doesn't matter if you're doing quality over quantity. It doesn't matter as long as you're making high quality decisions. You can make them all day long. It's just your body probably can't make that many high quality decisions all day long. Your music's louder than the voice. Let me turn it down. Is better? Is this better? Mike on the moon. Overall, not a good idea, but W to you. New entry. Oh, we're gonna look for something below here. Just got to see how we close. I don't know. Honestly, I'd rather see us. I don't know. Let's see how we close. I'm gonna want a 5-minute level here. I want a range. We do actually have a range here that we can drive off of. Let's see. If we close below here, we might be off the rip. To fill the range, right? Hourly's got a top wick. Technically, Hourly's filled this range, but I think we got more room. Ooh, you respected. Respected that 5-minute support here. Yeah, the 30 might make a top wick, but the 30 didn't close below here either. 30 closed right at this level, 1965.8. There's a level here, close right at it. I wanted the 30 closure lower than that. But the hourly's still open, so let's see. Took the flip on daily. Love you guys. Thanks, Wix. Yay, yo. Good shit. Kia La. I don't know. I mean, this is all we do here, right? We only answer questions regarding the price action here. We take it if 30 makes a top wick, then flips and breaks. You taking off the rip? Yeah, if we close below there, yeah. This is a very nice candle if it can continue down here. Yeah, I mean to the Discord channel. Yeah, just DM me in the Discord. Looking for something like this. Gonna drive down here. Or like this and drive down like this. About 13, 14 pip advantage point. Unless it just fills the range here. Oh, there it goes. Just filling the range. I'd need this to pull up, chat. Very nice. I mean, where would the stops be here? If we break 1962. It's not bad, right? 50 pip stops if we break 62. Let's see. Ooh, pulled all the way back. Let's see, chat. The top wick. 64085, huh? See if we get a nice top wick to around 65.5 areas if we can. And we flip, we're gonna look to fill the wick down. Is there a level here? Did it hit? Yeah. Yeah, 655, 66 areas. We can do that in this candle and then flip on this 5. Yeah, got some liquidity above 6.5, so 6.6. Yeah, I that's what I think. I think around 6.6 areas if we can get here. The self stops would be ideal. Oh, the Panthers are up 1 zip. Second period. Oh, man. Sweep incoming. Look at this. This top wick we're getting here. What do we reject off of? Massive rejection at this area previously, right? Look, the 5 tapped this area and drove all the way up to 1966.5 before heading down. Is this where? Yeah. So what would need to happen here, chat? Huh. Yeah, I think if we can close below this area now, if this candle closes bullish and the next 5 closes below $1963.8, we might have sells off the rip here. This 5's going to close bullish, but it's grabbed liquidity here. It's 940. This is hourly. We're below the hourly, support, right? So this might turn to resistance on the next hourly, but we might just drive now. Alright, gang. Closure below 1963.858 on the next 5, and it will be an off the rip. Unless it just drives through the range and then nada. You're not waiting on 15 close? No. I'm waiting on a 5 close in this area. It's not that much. It only drove 5 pips here. It looks like a lot. That's only 5 pips. Or whatever. In this range. This whole range is only like 15. Please raise the volume of the mic. Like, yo, my mic is cool. What's... Oh, you know what? You might be right. Hold on. How about now? Same thing? Huh. Alright, we're pulling back here. Or we're not. 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. It's a long time. Let's see how this candle closes. Your mic too low, music too loud. Come on, Lee. Come on. Figure it out. He's not an audio engineer. Friendly reminder. Mic good, music good, we good. We good. Goody goody goody. Giggity giggity. Chat, this is us right now. There it goes. Damn. So we really ain't gonna get this, huh? You really just... I drive now. What? WTF? You guys ever realize how the calendar after Monday and Tuesday, it also says WTF? Right? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday? WTF. Even the calendar's like, what the fuck? First 2 days got me fucked up. Alright, we got a nice closure below here, but we gotta pull it. Give me 1 second, chat. We'll reverse now. There is an order block. Nah, it's a girl. I'm gonna be nice. Thank you for joining us, Maria. Word. K in the background somewhere, not the block. Stupid block. Fucking didn't work. I'm done with these blocks. Damn it. Last time I'm taking advice from them. Damn, chat. Our chart looking like a football field right now. You down to the 10. Down to the 5. Touchdown. Damn. I love it when LeBron hits a home run. Touchdown. Should be blocking. The level at 1960.92 on the 5 minute. Do you reckon sells below there on the closure on the 1960.92? Yo, you know, I was looking at that level earlier, but I think it should be lower. 1959.3. We just need to get there first. I wasn't thinking we were getting anywhere close to 1950s for the session. But welcome aboard, everybody. We have no stops here. Hourly needs to leave a bottom wick. The next hourly in 10 minutes needs to create a top wick. Wherever that top wick ends up being, right? Wherever that top wick ends up being, we don't know. But wherever it does end up being, you know, we should flip and drive here, but this bottom wick on this hourly and the top wick on the next hourly, that's going to be one big range we're going to need to avoid until it comes back below it, right? Unless you can anticipate the flip here somewhere in the middle of this with a smaller time frame bullish closure back above here, right? And a bearish closure back below the range to look for a fake out. To come back down here, and technically you want to be in the body of the higher time frame candle here. Right here, this is where you want to be in the trade. So expect this to pull back for the hourly in order to leave us some range to trade on the next hourly, and expect the next hourly to create a top wick in order to grab liquidity before it drives down. All right, so thank you so much for listening to me, everyone. Right? You guys are wilding out, twerking on the table. Meanwhile, I'm giving a breakdown. How rude. Looks like the weekly's filling the previous range candle of last week. Yeah, we called this the Sunday unfiltered, right? The Sunday private session, we discussed it. We were going to look to fill the weekly candle down after closing below the range. Bro, are you in a sell? No, I'm not in a sell. We had positions earlier and we're looking for more, but at this rate and the way it's printing right now, I don't know. The track is fire. Yeah, I'll replay it in a minute. is a nice level here. Close right at it. Closure below here wouldn't be too bad. Got 5 minutes on this hourly candle. See how this plays out here. So ideally we come up here, leave some range for the hourly, top wick, and then a closure back below this area. This level is 1960.9. Yeah, closing below there will drive. So ideally we get a little pullback here in the next 3 minutes for this hourly, and then a top wick for the next hourly, and then we continue heading down. Because if this hourly here in 3 minutes closes with no bottom wick, I mean, right, you're not going to be looking for sells on the next hourly. Chances are it's gonna hold support or find a support. The next hourly will close bullish if this hourly closes with no bottom wick. Like it in chat, we close below here, top wick, and we'll be in more positions. I'm gonna stay for maybe 5-10 extra minutes. Yo, drop a like, sub to the channel. You guys are new here. The hourly's closing incredibly bare anyway. It doesn't have to close below here. Just we need to make a top wick and then come back, close below here. If not, if it just drives, then it just drives. Hey Wix, why you start answering me? Why you don't like me? I didn't hear you ask anything. What'd you ask? Sad man. I gotta scroll back. I have no idea what. This was before the people dancing. Before everyone broke out of their dancing shoes. before all the patasucias were on the dance floor? What did you ask? I don't know. Ask it again. Seconds here, chat. Will the hourly close with no bottom wick? Four, three, two, one. The hourly with no bottom wick. Chat, I think we're gonna call it a session here. Why you didn't take it? Because I feel like this is gonna pull back. And if it does drive down, I feel like it'll eventually close bullish. Because when we get this candle now closing with no bottom wick, indicates that there's not much range to go down here. Now we can still fill the range. The thing is, will we... This thing is, how steep will this bottom wick be, right? So... will we come down here, or here, or here? All right, we don't know where we'll come down, but eventually, after coming down here, this candle should close bullish. This is what you'll typically see happen. So at the end of this hour, we don't know if it's going to bottom out here, 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 wherever it's bottoming out, but we know that the hourly should flip bullish because the previous hourly had no bottom wick. So at the end of the hourly, you'll see high chance that this candle closes bullish. This current hourly that just opened. So that's why I'm not taking any sells, because why would I take sells expecting a higher time frame to close bullish against us, right? So I think that's going to be our session here for the evening. And nice W. We got a W. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Same time, same place. We'll be on 6:30 a.m. Eastern on Don Vo's stream. If you're not signed up there yet, go subscribe to that channel. And we'll continue Asian session, as always, every weekday, Monday through Thursday, 8 p.m. Eastern, live here on YouTube. And I think that's our session. What up, John Ez? How are you? I didn't even realize you were on cam, but what's up, man? Everything good?
Yo, what's going on?
You good?
Yeah, nice little
put
W.
you in the middle. This is our order block. Yo, carrying the charts on your shoulders, dog.
But I closed because of no bottom week.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it a session here. Thank you for coming through, bro. I'm gonna see you tomorrow on downstream. Anyway, mods, shout out to you. Thank you for helping me run the stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Chat, trolls, sorry you didn't get more footage today on this stream, but tomorrow 8 p.m. Eastern, another Asian session, so you might get some footage there. All right. Other than that, love and wisdom to you all. Truly appreciate all you being here. Get your dancing shoes ready. All right. Let's see if we can get you guys going. Yeah, boy. I feel it. I feel it. Get them slippers going. All right, gang. It's been fun. We laughed, we cried, we held hands, we made some money, secured the bacon. Now, enjoy the rest of your evening. All right? This was our Asian session, and just like that, another episode of Asian Session is over.